Welcome to Dallas. So you're looking for a brand new apartment in the Uptown Turtle Creek area? Today we're checking out Hanover Turtle Creek. This is a brand new, gorgeous 22-story building. Right now they are still under construction on the higher floors. At the moment, I believe the highest floor for immediate move-in is the 12th floor. But just be patient because they will have 22 stories and penthouses coming available in the next few months. Also, the amenities will be finished mid-June. So let's go ahead and check it out. As you can tell when you're first coming in, they do offer valet parking for you and your guests. This is the lobby, the mailroom, and the 24-hour concierge. Everything here is extremely clean.
Maybe on the 22nd floor. Yeah. We will also have a gym area up there as well. Those are scheduled to open June 13th.
Okay. Packages will go into this room using the Luxor One system. There are 3 elevators just around the corner. So we're going to take those up to the 14th floor where we will see several different floor plans. Oh wait, just kidding. We're actually going to start on the first floor because there is a very unique floor plan down here. If you live on the first level, you will have ground floor access and a patio outside. So this is a very unique floor plan. There are only a couple of these ground floor units available, and I believe this is the largest one. So if you are someone who has a pet and you want a yard without having to go down the elevator every single day, then this one would definitely work for you. This is a 2-bedroom corner unit and it has floor-to-ceiling windows. The ones on the left are shaded. There was so much natural light in here today, and as you can see, there is grass over there in the little yard. Here is the secondary bathroom and bedroom. This is a walk-in closet. So the finishes are going to vary from floor to floor. This would be the lighter birch finish, I believe it's called. Oh, I'm sorry, driftwood is what they call this one. Also has a gas stove, whereas some of these smaller units will have electric. So here is a view of the yard. It's actually pretty large. Yeah, it's huge for an apartment. This is quite rare, so if you like what you see, definitely jump on this one as soon as possible. So here's the primary bathroom with the 2 sinks. Also has a huge soaking tub and a walk-in shower. And the bathroom finishes are going to be pretty much the same as far as the colors of the tile. Okay, one really cool thing about this building is that we are on the 14th floor and they have a bunch of units that are available to just walk in and see. So I'm going to show you guys a few different floor plans. And what's great is that the view will be exactly the same, just, better as you go up. So let's check them out. All right, starting off with the B8 floor plan. This is going to be a 2-bed, 2-bath home. And this one has a pretty long hallway entrance with a washer and dryer as well as a coat closet. So here is the first bedroom, and you'll see it has part of the balcony out there. However, you have to enter it from the living area. And the bathroom right here, you have 2 entrances. Also has a built-in desk right here. So if you're someone who wants a little work area, you can definitely set up that right there. Also has a wine fridge and the gas stove. So you'll see the difference in the color scheme in this one. And here is the beautiful view. So this is a corner unit. You'll see a very gorgeous view, panoramic, all angles have views. I haven't been here late at night yet, but I know it is gonna be breathtaking when I come here during the nighttime just to see the whole city lit up. And here's the balcony. It's not the biggest, however, because of the amount of natural light that's coming in. Also, with the amenities that are on the other floors, I feel like if you want to go outside and get some fresh air, you can do that on the top floor or anywhere nearby, because this is right next to the Katy Trail. So very walkable area over here. And we just passed the huge closet, walk-in of course. Also 2 sinks in here, so plenty of space in this bathroom. And a big tub. And we have a bunch of floor plans that I'm going to show you guys here today. So here's the second one. This is the B10, which is even larger. So this one is going to be a 2-bed, 2-bath with a study. Here is the study right here when you first walk in. And I think that's the coat closet. Is it? Yes. Okay. And every single unit throughout the building is going to have a washer and dryer. The larger ones will have a laundry room. I love this one. Another corner unit, but it's so cool how they have so many different floor plans to choose from, because everyone is unique. Also, this is called the graphite finish, so it's white and then a gray stone for the countertops. These vary from floor to floor. So if you have a favorite finish out, definitely lock that in as soon as possible while they still have them available. Here's a view from this side. And this was a cloudy day, and even so, we still have so much light, and when it's sunny, it's going to be even more bright in here. All right, here's the bedroom with the floor-to-ceiling windows, and bathroom. So it looks pretty much the same as the other ones that we saw, just the countertops are going to be a different color. Now here's the A12. This is actually the model unit. You'll notice it has like an L-shaped island or pendulum in the kitchen, and has a built-in desk as well. The washer and dryer and closet are right there. So you can fit bar stools here, as well as a dining room table, and it has a built-in mirror like a dry bar, and plenty of space for a couch. Also has a balcony, and this one is facing the opposite direction, so you'll see the building that is still under construction. That's also part of this building. And here is the bedroom. So this one is like an interior corner, and bathroom. Since this is a larger 1-bedroom plan, it has both a walk-in shower as well as a tub. Some of these smaller ones will just have a shower, or will just have the tub inside of the shower. Okay, so now we're looking at the A3, which is a smaller 1-bedroom. However, it's still quite spacious. Here's the kitchen island. This is going to be that graphite color scheme, and here's the balcony. They all have that dry bar right there. And let's check out the balcony a little bit closer. I'm not sure if you noticed, but the floor color, the flooring is different for each of the floor plans also, as far as the colorways. And this one has the walk-in shower, so no tub in here. If you're someone who doesn't need a tub, this one would be great for you. And if you want a studio, we're also going to check that one out. If you're trying to save space or you're looking for something more cost effective, then that would be a great option for you. So here is the studio. They have an S1 and an S2. This is the S2, so it's the larger of the 2 studios. However, I feel like they definitely use the space extremely well. So here's the washer and dryer, hot water heater, and here's the bathroom. So you have a walk-in shower and a linen closet, which is great because you can definitely store some things in there. Since this one does not have a walk-in closet, The studios are the only ones that do not have walk-in closets, so I'll show you. So here's a galley kitchen, and here is the bedroom. It has a sliding door, as well as a ceiling fan. This one right here, this is a closet. So if you do not need a whole bunch of space, then this would definitely work for you. Also, it has a built-in dresser with soft closed drawers. And so I'm just showing you the sliding door. However, there is some light coming through, so I turned the lights off just to see how much light was still coming in, and you can see from outside there's still some light, so if you need total darkness, you may want to get a set of blackout curtains. All right, so that concludes this tour, and the amenities should be done very soon. So stay tuned and reach out if you would like more information on this and ask me about the specials.